Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to clean audio recording using Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll need to select the audio you want to clean. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the specific part you want to highlight, or if you want to select the entire audio, simply double-click it. Choose whichever option works best for your needs. Now click on Effect in the top toolbar. This is where you'll find all the audio enhancement tools. Hover your mouse over Noise Removal and Repair, then select Noise Reduction from the menu that appears. This feature is essential for eliminating unwanted background noise from your recording. Once the noise reduction window opens, click Get Noise Profile. This tells Audacity what kind of noise to remove from your audio. Next, double-click the audio to select all of it. Click on Effect in the top toolbar again, hover over Noise Removal and Repair, and select Noise Reduction once more. Now it's time to adjust the settings. Navigate to the noise reduction field, click the text field right beside it, and set it to 6 to 9 dB. You can also use the slider to adjust this value based on your preference. Below that, set the sensitivity to 4 to 6. Lastly, set the frequency smoothing bands to 3 to 6. These settings help balance how aggressively the noise is reduced without affecting the quality of your main audio. Before applying these changes, click Preview to test how it sounds. If there's still noticeable background noise, try increasing the noise reduction to 9 dB. Once the audio sounds clean and clear, click OK to apply the effect. Now click Effect in the top toolbar again, hover your mouse over EQ and Filters, then select High Pass Filter. This removes low-frequency rumble that can muddy your recording. Look for frequency hertz, click the text field right beside it, and start with 70 to 100 hertz. Below that, you'll see Roll-Off dB per octave. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select 12 dB octave. Click Preview first to hear how it sounds. If you still notice some noise, adjust the frequency until it sounds better. When you're satisfied, click Apply. Next, click Effect in the top toolbar, select Volume and Compression, then choose Compressor. This evens out the volume levels in your recording. Adjust the threshold to -12 to -18 by typing the exact value or using the slider. For ratio, set it to 2, 1, or 3, 1. These settings help balance the loud and quiet parts of your audio. Click Apply in the bottom right to confirm. Finally, click Effect in the top toolbar one more time, hover over Volume and Compression, and select Normalize. Make sure the Normalize peak amplitude is set to -1.0. This ensures your audio reaches a consistent volume level without distorting. Click Apply to finalize this last step. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned your audio recording using Audacity, removing background noise and balancing the overall sound quality. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.